This is the new Botslab 4K Ultra HD Solar Security Camera Kit. And yes, this stunning footage was recorded directly from it. From 360-degree tracking and AI alerts to solar power and zero monthly fees, this system promises full home protection without compromise. Let's find out if it really delivers. Inside the box, you'll find two 4K wireless cameras, the Botslab Home Hub, two solar panels, and a box containing all the necessary accessories for mounting and powering them. Each camera has a 10,000 mAh battery and solar charging, so you never need to run wires or charge manually. The build feels premium, weatherproof and designed for outdoor use. Setup and installation are straightforward. Everything connects wirelessly through the Botslab app, and the system runs on solar, so it's truly plug and play. Each camera runs entirely off solar power, and the built-in 10,000 mAh battery, that means 24/7 protection with zero wiring or charging. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the Botslab app automatically syncs both cameras to the Home Hub, which comes with 32 GB of local storage and is expandable up to 16 TB. And here's the best part, there are no monthly fees. The Botslab cameras shoot in stunning 8-megapixel 4K Ultra HD. Daytime footage is incredibly sharp with vivid colours and excellent dynamic range, but it's at night where it really shines. With both infrared and full colour night vision, you can see everything clearly, even in near total darkness. Now the real magic. Here is Botslab IQ, the AI brain behind the system. Now it doesn't just detect motion, it actually describes what's happening. If someone steps foot onto your property, you'll get an instant smart notification. For example, you might see a message like "A man in a cap is looking into a window at night," accompanied by an intrusion alert. And the intelligent search feature lets you find clips in seconds. Just type cat or courier and it instantly pulls up matching events. Each camera offers full 360-degree pan and tilt, ensuring there are no blind spots. The auto tracking feature smoothly follows people, pets, and vehicles. And if you have multiple cameras connected through the Botslab hub, it even performs cross-camera tracking, following activity as you move between zones. It's impressive. All your video footage is stored securely on the Home Hub locally, not in the cloud. It's encrypted, private, and subscription free. That's a huge win for users who want smart home protection without monthly bills. After testing it for a few days, I'm genuinely impressed. You get crisp 4K video, AI-powered alerts, full 360 coverage, and zero maintenance, all powered by the sun. For anyone looking for a smart and eco-friendly and subscription-free home security upgrade, this is an easy recommendation. Check out the link in the description to grab your own Botslab 4K solar camera kit. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review useful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart home tech reviews.